Hey YouTube, it's Christian here with Tech Stop Repair. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Asus Zenpad 10. This is model Z300C. I got this on Newegg for $179. There's also a promo code that got me an extra $10 off. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This particular model has the Intel quad core. It's the Atom X3 C3200. It's got 2 gigs of DDR3 memory. It's got a Mali 450 graphics processor. It has a 1280 by 800 IPS display. This current model has the 16 gigs of internal storage. Nice packaging, nice little flip top lid. Pretty cool interior, but it's basic, nothing special. It's a box. There's the tablet. But we're going to set that off to the side because we like to get to the more important things, like the charger. It has a charger. Exciting. We're just doing this to make you wait. It's pissing you off, isn't it? A book. Warranty card. User's manual. User's manual. Multiple languages. More. Oh my goodness, a micro USB charger. Hi kid. That's it. Simple box. Box. Manuals. Charger. Okay, tablet. It's got all the cool plastic on it that I love to tear off. Let's see where it starts at here. It's got a good weight to it. I mean, it feels really quality. It's got that front-facing speaker, which is really neat. Peel this off. So it has DTS HD premium sound, dual front speakers, 64-bit quad core, true to life visual master. I have no idea what that is. Corning Gorilla Glass, pretty cool for a tablet like this. And it has the option for the detachable audio dock with the keyboard, which is right there. If my camera will focus. Overall, I mean, for the price, just feeling in hand, it looks and feels nice. It has the front-facing camera at 0.3 megapixels. And it has the rear-facing camera at 2 megapixels. So if you're someone who likes to, let's get the sticker off. If you're someone who likes to take pictures or video with your tablet, this tablet's probably not for you. But I'm not one of those people. I use my phone for that kind of stuff. So the only bummer I'd say for me is probably that 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera. That's kind of a bummer, like for doing Google Hangouts and stuff like that. But for the price, you really can't beat it. You got your micro USB on the side, your mini jack, and that's really it. Your power button up there. You got your proprietary port there for the dock. So let's power this on and see if it's got any juice. Comes with Android 5.0 Lollipop out of the box. There it goes. We'll see if it's upgradable to 5.1. Intel inside. This is my first time owning an Android tablet that has an Intel processor, so we'll see how that goes. In the past, I've kind of steered away from that, especially the ones with the Atom name. But I guess Atoms aren't what they used to be. They should have just changed the names. So we got welcome. Next. I speak English because I'm from America. We'll skip all these. Turn that off, I guess, if I have to. Just a second. So next. No, I don't want to do that. Let's see if this will let me get through without having to do any of that crap. I don't want to do that either. I don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Ooh. No, I don't want to do that. I care about my privacy. All right. Ooh, come on. Let's forget about the transfer wizard. Let's go home. Touch and hold background and change wallpaper. That's okay, cool. All right. Well, I mean, overall, it feels pretty snappy. Of course, I don't have any bloatware on here yet, other than what came with it. The Asus has their own interface. It seems nice. I'll play with it a little bit. But yeah, overall, in the settings. Yeah, seems nice. $169 if you get it on the promo code by August 29th. Free shipping. Got it in 3 days from Newegg. And what you guys think? I can do some other videos of it if you want me to. Just figured I'd get an unboxing in before anybody else did, so.